Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes fix audio crackling or popping sounds in Windows PC or laptop. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Update audio driver. Second method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Sound Settings. Turn off Spatial sound. Third method is type Edit Power Plan in Windows search bar, click Edit Power Plan. Change processor power management settings. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Uninstall audio driver. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.